And good day everyone, Francois here from the Lego Make Rob Build channel. Continuing on with the Asil supercar build. I believe we're up to step 14. I think by the time we get done we'll be up to step 10,004, but regardless, let's carry on. Looks like we managed last time to connect the front to the front, as it were. We have several posts that are installed that are helping to support the lateral motion. We have the tensioning for the suspension done. And I think right now, looking at going further ahead, it looks like we're going to be doing some more work on presumably the side of the vehicle. So with that, let's get started, and I will of course see you guys on the back side of this video. Again, as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care. this looks like a really good place to stop for today. Got quite a bit done. And one thing I will say, we do have a gear shift built, a paddle shifter. There'll be some more detail added later on, but the functioning part of it is built. And I will say that the Lego supercars have virtually the same shift mechanism, but the difference between that one and the Netflix one is they've actually put a roller bearing in between the two arms that actuate the gear that keeps them from fluttering. I think that's quite handy. And it's a bit on the loose side at the moment, but it's going to get tied into the rest of the vehicle later on. So I'm very impressed. And of course, this chunk of the build went much better than the last one. And I'm thinking as we're moving forward, we'll probably have smaller sub-assemblies to add. At least that's what I'm hoping. So with that, folks, I'm going to cut you loose and we'll catch you on the next video. Again, thanks for watching.